In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Klaviyo. Changing text color is a simple but powerful way to draw attention to important information in your emails, like a special offer, a deadline, or a call to action. In this walkthrough, we're going to focus on changing the color of specific words or sentences inside an existing text block, rather than changing the color of all the text at once. First, make sure you're in the Klaviyo email editor, looking at the email you want to customize. Find the text block that contains the words you'd like to change. A text block is any section where you've added or edited written content, like a paragraph, a headline, or a short description. Click directly into that text block. Once you click, you should see your cursor appear, and the text will become editable. This tells you that Klaviyo is ready for you to make changes. Next, highlight the specific text you want to change the color of. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over a single word, a phrase, or even an entire sentence. Take your time here, because only the part you highlight will actually change color. If you highlight too much or too little, just click once to reset, then drag again until you've selected exactly what you want. As soon as your text is highlighted, a small floating toolbar will appear just above or near the selected text. This toolbar contains a set of quick formatting options, similar to what you might see in a word processor. Look for the text color icon, usually represented by the letter A with a color underline or a small color bar. Click on the text color icon. When you do this, a color selection panel will open. Here, you have two main options. You can pick a color from the default palette, which is great if you just need a simple change and don't have a specific brand color in mind. Or, if you want to match your brand exactly, you can enter a hex code. A hex code is a 6-character color code that ensures perfect consistency across all of your emails and assets. Once you've chosen your color or entered your hex code, the highlighted text will immediately update to reflect that new color. Take a moment to review it in the preview to make sure it stands out clearly and is easy to read. When you're happy with how it looks, you're all set.